Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to start off this Chatting with Alana by telling everybody who had nice words to say, condolences and everything about my video about my brother passing away. Thank you all. Thank you so very much. That was awesome to read those, and I truly appreciate it. If I could hug every single one of you, I would. You guys made me so happy reading, and I didn't read them for a while. I didn't read them until I was okay to read them without breaking down again. So I sat down and I read them, and I didn't reply to every single one. I did heart it so you knew that I read it, but I appreciate you guys so much for all of that. That was so nice. That made me very, very happy to read all that. It made me feel your sympathy, and I appreciate it. But I wanted to jump on here and give a little update since I haven't talked to you guys in a while. So I've made a couple of things that I wanted to talk about. Not made as in crocheted, I mean like made as in decisions I've made, purchases I've made. So basically this is just going to be a little Chatting with Alana update. So first I do want to tell you I have worked on the my spit the words out Lollipop Lane dolls. Not that one. I have the first 4 done. I'm going to do a separate series showing you guys those. So be on the lookout for that. And then like this time that I've taken off of, you know, that I took a break away from YouTube, I did a lot of crocheting for myself and not for YouTube. And I kind of come to the realization I missed that. I really missed that. It made me very happy to crochet for myself. Now this doesn't mean anything. I've already got like 3 or 4 tutorials ready to go on YouTube. Sorry about that. My husband walked in. Anyway, what was I talking about? The dumpling dolls, I'm gonna do a separate series of those and show you guys that. Oh, I was talking about how I had done more crocheting for myself, but what I was saying was that I've got like 3 or 4 tutorials ready to go. That's never gonna stop, but I do think I'm gonna kind of take it down to where I'm doing 1 tutorial a week and then 1 Chatting with Alana a week and showing you guys what I've been working on for myself. So I did want to keep it to where I was doing like 2 tutorials. So you get like, I uploaded on Wednesday, you get it Thursday, a small tutorial, and then, you know, Monday you get the big tutorial. I think I'm just going to take it to where I do a Chatting with Alana and show you what I've done, you know, made for myself. Because I've made a lot. And I'm really excited to show you guys about it and, you know, go from there. But another thing I wanted to talk about, I made a purchase. Go ahead and get it and show it to you. It's in this box, and what it is 33, it's hot in here and my glasses are sliding down my face. It's 33 Crochet World magazines. I can give you a little sneak peek. So this one is from October 1990. So what I think I'm gonna do, there's 33 of them, and I thought about doing 3 a week. 3 a week, like just kind of showing you guys what's in them. There's a Q&A section. There's a Q&A section. There's a show it off section. I'm gonna cover things so I don't get in trouble. So like right here, there's a show it off section. It's backwards for you guys, dang it. But like she crocheted that. And then you got the little amigurumis. They were not called amigurumis then. I really don't know what they were called. Aren't those cute? I love, get down. that alligator. That reminds me of an old cartoon, but I can't remember what it is. So there's that. Let me show you what else. Oh, it has a, I've gone through these a little bit. It has a, okay, it has an international doll for each magazine. And then there's a, oh, Crochet Potpourri. And then it says, so like if I show you that, it says this. And then it says, I don't know why. Oh. So it gives the definition, and then it says, so like, you know, in a dictionary it has one meaning, then number 2, different meaning, number 3, different meaning. Well, it says, meaning 1, a mixture of flowers, herbs, and spices used for scents. Number 2, a miscellaneous collection, a medley. Number 3, a means by which crocheters swap ideas, information, friendship squares, and generic pattern requests. So then, you know, I don't want to show you because it has names, but so like they would write in with their little comments. Like if I read one, it says, trying to find a short one. I have 4 children, enjoy crochet and cross stitch, and would like to swap 6-inch squares and hear from ladies from all over. That's so cool. Like this one says, I enjoy many things, including finding new pen pals and crocheting. I'm 28 years old. See, that was from 1990, right? Yeah, 1990. So, but I thought about, you know, just kind of reading some of those to you guys. And you guys don't have to watch, you know, the series. That's why I'm going to do it separate. I'm going to make it a series so that, you know, if you're not interested, you don't have to watch. But then there's something else that was in there too that I wanted to, that I would show you guys. Oh, the Crochet Questions. So there's a series in each of these. I'll just show you like this. This is Crochet Questions. I'm covering up names. And I figured I could read those and the answers and everything. It actually doesn't have names in this one. I thought they did. So like one of the questions, okay, so I crochet stuffed toys and novelties. Many require scraps of felt, wiggle eyes, magnets, etc., to be glued on afterwards. Although the craft glues on the market dry clear, I'm not happy with them. Most don't hold as well as I expected, especially when attaching magnets. That's true. I have a crochet butterfly, and then the butterfly, I show you how to make it into a flower magnet. And it's a pain in the butt because the hot glue, that's how I glue the magnets on, the magnets will pop off of the hot glue. So I found that if I take something and scratch up the one side of the magnet real good and glue it on, it stays. Okay, want to touch. Someone suggested a hot glue gun. I tried that, but the glue doesn't dry clear. It forms a very strong bond, but you can't pick the excess off the yarn surface as easily as you can from fabric and other materials. I have 2 questions. What glue do you recommend? And how can I remove the dried hot glue from my crocheted work? And then there's a big long answer. I'll go ahead and read it. Why not? If you don't want to hear it, you can just fast forward. The hot glue gun is your best bet for anything that is going to be under strain, like your magnets. Because of the texture of the yarn, this glue makes an excellent bond. Therefore, resist the temptation to use a lot. You only need a drop in this certain area to be glued. Practice makes perfect here. Soon you will know just how much to apply without leakage onto your items. The strings that form while using a hot glue gun are not a problem unless you try to remove them while the glue is still wet. Be patient and wait until the glue dries to remove the strings, and they will roll right off with a little pressure. To answer your second question, there is no way to remove hot glue that has soaked through yarn fibers and dried. Chalk it up to experience, but don't give up on the glue gun. You'll be glad you persevered. See? So that's like, I've thought about doing that. Maybe doing two magazines a week and just kind of showing you guys, well, maybe not every week, maybe every other week, and then do something in between. So, you know, just for those of you who don't want to watch it. But, so I can show you in this one a little example of the Happy Feet Crochet the Best Children's Slippers. Okay, so here is the, oh, this is Miss USA. This is the international doll of this magazine. And then it gives you a little description about her. She's dressed in the typical Plains Indians. Miss USA is dressed in typical dress of the Plains Indians. I read that way wrong. But so like that's one of the international dolls. But I figured I'd just show you and read it to you. And it's so cool because the woman that I bought these off of, she gave me a letter and it says, I don't have it in front of me, so I'm trying to remember exactly what it says. But it says, thank you, I'm so happy my sister's magazines are going to a good home. And, you know, I told her what I planned on doing and all of that. So, yeah, it was pretty nice to get that pattern. Or to get, sorry, I'm looking at the magazine. To get that letter from her. So, like, here's an example of some of the stuff that's in here. Is that not the cutest? And the little spider. This is a little... Oh, it's a chair cushion. I thought it was a pillow. I love how that looks like those old dolls. Make sure I put my stuff back where I had it. So yeah, I wanted to, you know, show you guys that that's my plan. And like I said, I've got a whole box of them. So I'm super excited about that. Elaine, if you're watching this, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see, what else? I still, oh gosh, it's fallen. I still have my dumpling dolls, like I told, oh, well, I can give you guys a little sneak peek. I'm sweating, it's hot in here. Ooh, you can see it on my face. So I can give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of the ones I've got done. I'll show you one. That's all. I'll only show one. So I'm not cheating. Oh no, her arm popped right out. Okay. This is grape jelly. Isn't she awesome? That looks blue. That's not blue. That's a very, very dark purple. I think I should have went a little darker on, because if you can't, there you can. It's purple, white, purple, white, purple, white. I should have went a little bit darker on that, but that's all right. So that's grape jelly. I'll show you the more rest later. Okay, so is there anything else I wanted to talk about on here? I don't think so. Oh, excuse me. I don't think so. Other than, I'm definitely gonna start doing more crocheting for myself because I've missed that and that was really fun and it makes me really happy. So anyway, that's it, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. This is a short and sweet one. I will see you in the next. Keep an eye out for my upcoming tutorials, upcoming Chattin with Alanas, the magazines, the dumpling dolls, all kinds of stuff to show you guys, and more I'm gonna crochet for myself. Can I show you something else? I made a bed doll. Ah, what's up with your hair? So she would sit like this. And then you can see all the little bows and her ripples. Super proud of her. I love her. Very odd pattern. Very, very different. Anyway, alright, that's it, guys. You guys are the greatest. Again, thank you all so very much. I'd hug each and every one of you for everything that you said to me about, you know, in the video that I told you guys about my brother passing. And I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.